This is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2011 Mitsubishi Challenger LS, stock reference number 3975. This shape runs from the 12th month 2009 through to the 12th month 2015. It has a 4D56, 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. 4D56, 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the right hand front. We have the left hand headlight. Left hand guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Left chrome power door mirror. Both left hand doors have got very light wobbles. Side step, left hand side with all bolts and brackets, sold as a pair. Left rear, 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover with the tow bar cut out. Tailgate appears to have no damage. It's got a Heyman and Reese tow bar, supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module. Right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right hand side step, sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets. Both right hand doors also have very light wobbles. Right hand chrome power door mirror and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It does have a small rip in the right hand seat. Black cloth console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, factory single stack CD player, heater controls, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster and an average 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.